Now question 10, find the differential equation of all hyperbolas in standard form. X square over a square minus y square b square equal to 1. This is a equation of hyperbola in standard form. Now after simplification we have b square x square minus a square y square equal to a square b square. Differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x and b square is constant. Derivative of y square is 2y divided by dx, and this term is constant. Its derivative is 0. Now dividing by 2 we have b square x minus a square y divided by dx equal to 0. Now again differentiate equation number 2 with respect to x. Now derivative of b square x is b square because this is constant and derivative of x is 1. So derivative of b square x is b square. And by using product theorem here, derivative of y is dy by dx and this term same, and derivative of d2y dy by dx is d2y by dx square and this term is same. Now dy by dx into dy by dx become dy by dx whole square minus a square y d2y over dx square. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. Now we eliminate the constant from this equation. How we eliminate the constant from this equation? From equation 2, find the value of b square, which is equal to b square equal to a square y over x into dy by dx. Put this value in equation number 3. We have a square y by x dy by dx minus a square dy by dx whole square minus a square by d2y over dx square. Now dividing this equation by a square, the a square will be eliminated. Divide this equation by a square, we have y by x dy by dx minus dy by dx whole square minus y into d2 by dx square equal to 0. Now multiply this equation by x. We have y dy by dx minus x dy by dx whole square minus xy d2 by dx square equal to 0. Now by arranging, we arrange this equation. We have xy d2 by dx square plus x dy by dx square minus y dy by dx equal to 0, the required differential equation. Question 11, solve this equation d2y over dx square minus dy by dx minus 12y equal to 0. This is the initial condition, y of 0 equal to 2 and this is y dash 0 equal to 6. So by using these 2 points we have the boundary value problem where y equal to ae 4x plus b minus 3x is the general solution. The solution is given. Now we have to find the value of a and b by putting these boundary conditions. Now y equal to ae 4x plus be minus 3x. This is equation number 1 and we differentiate this with respect to x. This will become y dash and derivative of this is 4 e 4x into a and derivative of this is minus 3 e minus 3x into b. Equation number 2. We apply the condition y 0 equal to minus 2. Here x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 2. Put here in this equation we put x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 2. Here minus 2 and here this become ae 4 into 0 plus b into e minus 3 into 0. So this is e0 and this is 1. This is again e0 and this is 1. We have a plus b equal to minus 2. Minus 2 equal to a plus b. This is equation number 3. Now we put the other condition y dash 0 equal to 6. So in this case x equal to 0 and y dash equal to 6. x0 y dash put in equation number 2. Here we put in place of y dash we put 6, in place of x we put 0. So we have 6 4a e 4 into 0 and minus 3b e minus 3 into 0. So we have 4a minus 3b equal to 6. 6 equal to 4a minus 3b as equation number 4. Now we multiply equation 3 by 3 and add this in equation number 4. We multiply this equation by 3 by comparing the coefficients. We multiply this by 3, this become minus 6 and this is 3a plus 3b and this is 6 equal to 4a minus 3b. So by adding these two equations minus 6 plus 6 and 3b minus 3b will cancel. We have 0 equal to, this is 7a and a equal to 0. Now put the value of a is 0 in equation number 3. Here in this equation we put a equal to 0. So we have minus 2 equal to 0 plus b and b equal to minus 2. So this is value of a and this is value of b. We put this value of a 0 and b minus 2 in the equation number 1. We have y equal to minus 2 e minus 3x, the required solution. Now let's solve the differential equation x cube d cube y over dx cube minus 3x square d y over dx square plus 6 x divided by dx minus 6y equal to 0. The boundary conditions are y2 equal to 0 and y dash 2 equal to 2 and y double dash 2 equal to 6. The given that y equal to c1x plus c2x square plus c3x cube be the general solution. So we say this as equation number 1 and differentiate this. Derivative of y is y dash, derivative of c1x is c1, derivative of c2x square is 2c2x and derivative of c3x cube is 3x square into c3. This is equation number 3. Again differentiate this equation with respect to this become y double dash, derivative of c1 is 0 and this is 2c2 and this is 6c3x. So we solve these equations. Now again we put y2 equal to 0 in place of x we put 2 and in place of y we put 0 in the equation number 1. Y 0 and in place of x we put 2, this becomes 2c1 and this is 4c2 and this is 8c3. Divide this equation by 2. We have 0 equal to c1 plus 2c2 plus 4c3. This is equation number 4. Now we put y dash 2 equal to 2. In place of x we put 2, in place of y dash we put 2 in the equation number 2. So we have 2 equal to c1 plus 4c2 plus 12c3. This is equation number 5. Now apply the condition y double dash 2 equal to 6 in equation number 3. We have 6 equal to 2c2 plus 12c3. Divide this equation by 2. We have 3 equal to c2 plus 6c3 and this is equation number 6. Equation number 6. Now we subtract equation 4 from the equation 5. We have 2 equal to 2c2 plus 8c3 and dividing this equation by 2 we have 1 equal to c2 plus 4c3. This is equation number 7. Now subtracting 7 from 6. We have 2 equal to 2c3 and value of c3 is 1. Now by equation 7 we put here the value of c3 1. We have c2 equal to minus 3. Now from 4 this equation by putting the value we have 0 equal to c1 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 4. So we have 0 equal to c1 minus 2 and value of c1 is 2. So we have by putting the value of c1, c2, c3 in equation 1 we have y equal to 2x minus 3x square plus x cube with the required solution.